how to enable notifications for the Prism AI app on your Android device. So first, go ahead and open settings on your phone. Then your screen should look something like this. Here, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in apps. After you type in apps, tap on the first option. Then tap on manage apps, which is right below system app settings. After you tap on manage apps, you'll again see a search bar at the top. Simply tap on it and type in the name Prism. After you type in the name, your screen should look something like this. Scroll down until you see an option called notifications, which is right below other permissions. And after you tap on it, you'll see an option called show notifications. You can simply tap on it to enable it. And these are some easy steps you can follow to enable notifications for your Prism AI app. So thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.